Hey guys, it's Rainbow Bloom Charms, and sorry I haven't been uploading for a week, I think it's been a week, and I was out camping, so I didn't have time to upload, and the internet there was really bad, so if I did upload, it would have took forever, probably the whole 4 days I was there. So I have a video today, and I might be uploading 2 today to make up for it. Maybe even 3, I'm not sure. We'll see. But I'm going to be doing the cupcake today. This is an original design by Emily Hill, and this is what it looks like. And if you want the cherry on it, I'll show you how to do that in the end. So you're going to need white, pink, or any color you want for the top, and then any color you want for the bottom. So I'm going to be using just these 2 colors, but I'm going to be using regular pink instead of this jelly pink. So let's get started. So you want to have your loom in this position, all the rows equal, and then you want to start with 2 whites and take it from the center to the left, down to the left, and then from the center down to the right, and then still using 2, the left, go down 1, and then you want to go down twice on the center, so that's once, and then twice on the center, and then once on the right. Okay, so that's it for your white for now, and then you want to take 2 pink, or whatever color you're using for your wrapper at the bottom. So you want to go down 3 times on each row. So it's once in the left, once in the middle, once on the right, and then second time on the left, second time on the middle, and second time on the right. Okay, so you're done with that. And now to make these 2 sides that poke out. So you want to take 1 white, or whatever color you're using for your top, and you want to take your hook, and you want to stretch it out a little, and then wrap it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then get 2 white bands and move all of those bands onto the 2 white bands. Sorry if my hand gets in the way. And then if you miss some, you can just go back and grab them. Let me grab them real quick. It's hard to do in the front of the camera. Okay, so mine messed up, so I'm going to do it again. So I'll show you again in case you mess up too. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then take 2 white bands. Here, I'll move my camera up so you can see better. There. Okay, and then you want to move those bands onto the 2 white bands. Okay, so then you want to pull that through and let it sit on your hook. And then you want to make another one. So pull that back. And then get another single white band 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then take 2 more white bands and put those on there. Pull them over, and I forgot to grab those. There's one down there. Okay. So now you got them all on there. And you want to put, oopsies. Sorry about that. Clumsy today. Okay. So now you want to put your first one on. So hold this back with this finger so it doesn't pop off. So you want to put it on the peg where the white meets the pink. And you want to put both ends on there. There we go. There's our first one, and you want to swing that little puffed out part to the side, and then flip your loom over like that, and put those, sorry you can't really see, and put those on there. Like that. And then you have your 2 sides. So now you want to put your cap bands. So you want to take 1 white band and you want to double it and put it across the first 3 pegs, sorry. And then another white band, double it, and put it across the next 3 pegs. Like that. And make sure they're on top of the little extensions so they don't fall off when you're looming. So push those down and make sure that cap band's on top. Now you want to take a single pink band, double it, and put it on these 3 pegs, and do the same for these 3. And there. So now you have all your cap bands, and now you can start looming. So if you're a fast loomer and you want to go ahead, you can do both sides, but do not do the center yet. Well, if you've watched Emily Hill's video, you can do the center because you know how to do the special thing in the beginning. But if you haven't, then don't go in the middle yet. So, sorry if my finger gets in the way. I need to hold down these. So bring these forward. And I have to push these down because there's going to be lots of pegs on them. And then go under all of these bands and grab the very bottom 2 and bring them forward. Then grab the bottom 2 white ones. It's really simple looming. And then bring the last ones to the center. And then we're going to skip the middle for now. And then bring these forward just like the left side. And then bring those. And then bring the last 2 to the center. And then we want to do the center. So instead of going in like this, how you would do a normal one, and grab them and pull them up, you want to stay on the outside and then take these 2 and pull them over. So this band is going to look like it's coming like off this peg, and that's what it's supposed to look like. And then just go up the center normally, just like you did your 2 sides. And now you're done with your lubing. So then you want to take your cap band color, your slip knot color, and then put that there. Bring it through. And then make your slip knot and pull it. And then you want to take it off. These bands have lots of tension, so don't break these. Take it off peg by peg. Okay, so you got those off, or the cupcakes. Sorry, I cannot talk today. So now you have your cupcake, and you want to stretch it out a little bit, like that. And now I will show you how to make your cherry. So let me get my red band really quick out of my box. Okay, so got your red band, and you have your cupcake, and you want to make, it's kind of like you're doing the first step of the two sides, but you're not really going to do the exact same thing. You're kind of doing half the steps. So 1, 2, you don't want to do it 4 times. You want to do it as many times as possible so it's a really tight band so it won't come off. So 1, I'm going to count how many times I can do mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it looks like 9. I think I can do 10, but I don't want to do it too much. And I have very stretchy bands. So if you can't do it 9 times, that is perfectly fine. It just might be a little bit looser. And I might have to undo some because it might be too tight that I can't pull them on. But do the exact same thing that you did with the 2 sides and pull them on. And it's really tight, so you might have to be really careful. Sorry, I know this is a bad angle. So you just pull them over, if I can grab them. Yeah, there we go. They're really slippery. Okay, and then I have 2 more. Here, I'll do it behind the camera because it's kind of hard. Okay, so I got them all on, and then you want to push it down all the way. And there you have your cupcake with your cherry. And it's going to be a little crooked depending on how you put your slip knot band, but so there you go. That's your cupcake. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And it's an original design by Emily Hill, like I said. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!